Hey, Mr. Warning. This is a quick video that I'll make you. It kind of shows off the drone. Maybe you can show it to your class if you want. So, essentially, the four arms, as well as the top plate and the bottom plate, are all 3D printed from printers in the district. The parts I've pulled together, you got 4 motors, 4 ESCs, which run underneath the wings, a flight controller right here, which is a CC3D, a cheapo receiver, and a cheapo transmitter. In the back is a power distribution board with horrendous soldering by yours truly. You've got a 3S LiPo battery. I couldn't even tell you the capacity on it. All of it came in around $200, not including the printing. I wanted to keep it lightweight, and the whole thing's about just over 1 kilogram. Currently, the propellers I have on it are super cheap, and they're only about 6 inches. So even when I go up to full blast on this, it doesn't lift off. But from what I've seen, it is pretty stable, and everything seems to work well. So, also, you'll probably notice corks as the feet. That was a last-minute attachment. So, the deal with this is it's just a normal controller. Flip it on, and how you arm it is you pull down and to the left, and you hold it for a little bit, and then once you start to raise it, starts to spin. And then you can hear the more I push, the faster it gets. Until we're up to the top, and there's nothing more. What is interesting is you can, well, I don't know how well you can see it in the video, but you can definitely see which props start to slow down whenever you start to do directional turns and whatnot. Or at least you can hear that something's moving. And I don't think you can see it in the video, but at least in person you can also see that it flinches. So yeah, that's an overview of the drone. And so hopefully you can learn something from this, or you can show it to your class or something. Have a good one.